Welcome to English Pinglish channel. Let's get started.
Have you got a pillow? Have you got a pillow? Have you got a pillow? Can I get a blanket, please? Can I get a blanket, please? Can I get a blanket, please? I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. May I come in? May I come in? May I come in? Hold this for me. Hold this for me. Hold this for me. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Call me back. Call me back. Call me back. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Stay here and learn. Stay here and learn. Stay here and learn. I bought you a gift. I bought you a gift. I bought you a gift. Go change your clothes. Go change your clothes. Go change your clothes. He is on his way. He is on his way. He is on his way. My dad runs a company. My dad runs a company. My dad runs a company. You have to dress up. You have to dress up. You have to dress up. Have you lost your mind? Have you lost your mind? Have you lost your mind? Shake my hand. Shake my hand. Shake my hand. I'm an overweight. I'm an overweight. I'm an overweight. I want to lose my weight. I want to lose my weight. I want to lose my weight. You are a part of my family now. You are a part of my family now. You are a part of my family now. I hope my business will grow soon. I hope my business will grow soon. I hope my business will grow soon. Are you the oldest? Are you the oldest? Are you the oldest? I paid double price of that house. I paid double price of that house. I paid double price of that house. It was getting dark. It was getting dark. It was getting dark. Eat your food, it's getting cold. Eat your food. It's getting cold. Eat your food. It's getting cold. Can I take one? Can I take one? Can I take one? It's all yours. It's all yours. It's all yours. Where do you want to spend your holiday? Where do you want to spend your holiday? Where do you want to spend your holiday? Focus on it. Focus on it. Focus on it.
Please subscribe us. Don't forget like and comment. Thanks for watching.